So you may be aware that Department of Science and Technology under the Ministry of Science and Technology is the nodal department for promoting science and technology across the country. And one of the mandate of the Department of Science and Technology is to carry out assessment, monitoring, and benchmarking of S&T potential of the country for evidence-based policy planning. In that context, Department of Science and Technology time to time conduct the national S&T survey to understand the R&D and intensity of the country across the different sector in thematic sector as well as the different sector, government sector, private industry, public industry, and other scientific and industrial uh, organization across the country. In that context, we have organized this awareness workshop uh, so to so that we can sensitize the industry to submit the information on the gross expenditure on R&D, business enterprise expenditure on R&D, and manpower and the S&T workforce engaged in the R&D. So the whole purpose of this today's event was to to sensitize the industry representative to come forward and submit the information as soon as possible, because we have the extended the deadline for submission of the data till 31st of uh, October. And you may be aware also that GERD, the gross expenditure on R&D, is reflecting the country's scale or intensity of the uh, R&D investment in new knowledge and technology. And globally, you may be aware that the total investment is around 3 trillion US dollar, and the Department of Science and Technology, through its you can say survey, has published its report time to time. And as per the 2020-21 report, the country's investment in gross expenditure in R&D is around 1,27,000 crore, and out of which 60% are represented, or you can say contributed, by the government, and 40%, around 40% from the private and public industry. So these are the contribution of the industry, and we want that the industry should come forward for investment in R&D. Thank you.